In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a 360 spin of your garment, but not only that, but how you can control the spin, not just let it run like a continuous video. Before I start, if you want any free files from my library, you can head over to my Clo3D store. I've got tons of free stuff. I've also got a ton of free stuff over on my Patreon page. If you click the Google Drive link at the top of the page, here you can download all of the Clo3D files and any renders that I've created for those projects. Right, let's get started. Okay, so open up your product that you want to spin 360. This is a high-vis jacket that I created a few months back. So if you click 1, 2, or 3, that'll center it for you. There you go. Find the best angle that you want to use. Zoom in a little bit, making sure that you keep that product in the middle. Right, let's go to the render window. Let's render that. Okay, so this is in a pretty good position. Now go over to the property editor. I want to change it to turntable image, colorway, current. Right, so the image count, this is how many frames you're going to have in your rotation. The more you have, the smoother it'll be. I actually do custom and I put 100. Rotation angle, keep the same. Okay, save as video. I don't do save as video. Save as GIF. No, I don't do that either. Right, image size is super important. So you want it big enough so that it has high resolution, but then you don't want it too big that each frame is going to take you half an hour to render. Right, we need to set our custom view. So right click and go to custom views and then establish exactly where you want it to start. Now I'm rotating it as it's giving me the render preview because I want to check that the top and the bottom don't get cut off by the edge of the image. Okay, so let's go back over to the property editor. So, okay, background. I'm going to make this background transparent because that actually speeds things up. If you're rendering the background every single time, then that's additional pixels that it needs to render. So, but you can do whatever color you want, but I tend to have it transparent. Okay, so go down to the save settings. So what you need to do, you need to set up a folder, and I've set one called 360, and then you need to save it as PNG. Let's go over to the light settings. So I've had it as Studio Vivid, but I want to lock to the camera, so that will keep the lighting consistently from the front. Okay, for the render settings, you just need to make sure you put GPU and CPU supporting. Right, now go up and start the render. What I do for the first couple of frames, I actually look at the bar at the bottom and see how long it's taken for one frame. If you know that, that first frame took 20 seconds, so I can times that by 100 and see exactly how long it's going to take me. Okay, so that was about 20 minutes in total. Once that's done, I want you to head over to Google and search for a website called serve.com. It should be this one. Okay, so the homepage should look like this. This is basically a website that you can import your images and it will turn it into a link where you can send to clients. Okay, so go to register. Once you're in, the desktop will look like this. If you go over to My Files, and it gives you this. So you click on New Folder and name it whatever the project is. This gives you a brand new folder. Yeah. Click into that and then upload all the images that you created on the 360 spin. So you should have 100 images in total. So upload all of those. And it doesn't take long at all. Right, that's 100 images in. So go up to the top spin, and this is your spin. Now, you can test whether or not it's all okay. So click on it and go left, down, right, left and right. So that looks perfect. Now, what you can do, you can upload that to your website. Here's all the codes for that. The one that I use the most is sharing. You copy and paste this link, and you can send that to clients. And what it does is when they upload it, it opens up in a browser like this, and you can move it left and right. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to support us, you're more than welcome to visit our Patreon page. Thank you. Bye.